Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's the Multiple Stream King, Lil Derek Williams, CEO and founder of the Paid in Full family. Hey, what's going on, y'all? What's going on, y'all? Real quick, listen, I ain't done this in a minute. Real quick. Go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See, one of those corners over there, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. What's going on, family? What's going on? Listen, I come to provide some value today. Okay, listen, I've been receiving you all's emails, okay? I've been receiving the emails. Members on other teams, okay, with other sponsors, okay? I've been receiving the messages on Facebook. Members of other teams from other sponsors. I've been receiving messages from people who are looking to get involved in the company, asking me questions, trying to pick my brain. Listen, I'm receiving the messages, okay? So I want to provide some value for you all today. Okay, so listen, the title says, don't give up, follow up. What does that mean, Lil Derek? Listen, don't give up, follow up. Let me take you here first, okay? How many of y'all have heard the cliche, the fortune is in the follow-up? How many of y'all have heard the fortune is in the follow-up? Right, we all have, okay? That's absolutely true. Okay, but listen, I was listening to one of my guys, man, Cedric Harris, okay? Phenomenal speaker, man. He's a beast in this network marketing realm. Okay, direct sales, things of that nature, online. He's crushing it. Okay, and I get tons of value from him, man. He's somebody that I study. I study a lot of people. He's one of the ones that I listen to, man, and I take notes. Okay, and he shared this a couple weeks back, man. And I actually got so much nuggets from him, man, that I was able to train my team on a little bit of the stuff that he was talking about. But he said something that was so profound. It's something that I have already been doing, but never heard how he put it. Okay, so right, the fortune is in the follow-up, right? Yeah. Okay, but guess what? The fortune is actually in the connection and ends with the follow-up. Okay? Listen to what I just said. The fortune is actually in the connection and then it ends with the follow-up. See, we got to build a connection first. Okay, we got to build a relationship first is what I'm saying. Okay? Some of you all, you're getting leads. Leads. And what are you doing? Just pound them upside the head with website, information overload, and you haven't built no type of rapport, no type of relationship, no type of connection. What are you saying, Lil Derek? I'm saying, especially for those of us who are MCA that's building this business on Facebook, okay? You got people that's reaching out to you. It is so simple for you to click on their profile. I'm finna give you some free game, some free value. I already trained my team on this. This is the reason why they be kicking butt, okay? But listen, there's no reason why you should just be sending them information instead of first, this a nugget, should I give it away? I'm going to give it away. Clicking on their profile name, going through their photos, seeing this. Listen, is this someone who has a family? Is this one who has kids? Let's build a connection first. Let me see, okay, if there's something that I can go off of while talking to this person. Also, I'm going to ask them questions. Not just send it to them, hey, what's going on? I'm happy you're looking to make some extra money. Curious though, what has you interested in making some extra money from home? They're gonna give you exactly what you need. Whether it's, I'm having to pay this extra money on daycare, okay? My 9 to 5 is just not getting. I want to make an X amount of dollars. Listen, I'm doing all this overtime. I'm working 2 jobs right now. Whatever the case, man, they're gonna give you something. This free game right now, man. They're gonna give you something that you can use, okay, to say, oh, that's it right there. And then you come with your rebuttal and let them know why this opportunity can replace that. You're going to have to put in some work. I'm not promising you anything, but what I'm telling you is, if that's your problem, this is the solution. Okay? If that's the problem, this is the solution. As entrepreneurs, we're problem solvers. And you got to understand that. We're problem solvers. So listen, the fortune starts with the connection and ends with the follow-up. Okay? It starts with the connection and it ends with the follow-up. That's where your fortune lies. Now listen. You got to ask yourself, okay, for some of you all who are saying, okay, I'm following up. What was your goal? What's your end goal? When you got in this thing, when you started MCA, and if you're looking to get in MCA, ask yourself, how much money are you looking to make? Are you looking to make an extra $500 a week? Are you looking to make an extra $1,000 a week? Are you looking to make an extra $2,000 a month? An extra $5,000 a month? Whatever the case, what is your goal? What is your end goal? Okay, maybe it's $50,000 a month. Okay, maybe it's $100,000 a month. I don't, man, think big. Okay, but when thinking big, okay, now it's time to say, you know what? Does my follow-up game and does my marketing game match that end goal? Some of you all have, you setting these goals. Man, I come in, I want to make an extra $500 to $1,000 a week. But does your work ethic match that goal? Okay, and then here's this is another thing that I got from said. Does your follow-up match that goal? Am I following up with enough people that I can make an extra $500 a week just on following up alone? Not on me marketing and branding, okay, doing my prospecting, but my follow-up, people who I've already talked to. Am I talking to enough people to make an extra $500 to $1,000 a day, or an extra $500,000 a week, or an extra $2, $3, $4, $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10,000 a month? Is my follow-up game matching that? Okay, that's when you pull out some paper and you keep track of who you're talking to and who you're following up with, and look at the data and say, okay, I'm not following up with enough people to make this amount of money. And then you can't be mad at nobody but yourself. Okay, you can't be mad at nobody but yourself because you know what? I'm not doing enough to receive these results. But the beautiful thing about it is, with you keeping track of it, now you know, and now you know what you need to do. And I apologize if you all heard my daughter in the background. I got a 10-month-old. She's teething, and you know how that go. Okay, but listen. Follow the game plan, okay? Follow the game plan. All right? Look at your data. See if the numbers match up and go from there. Okay, but your follow-up needs to match your end goal. And if it doesn't, you need to do a little bit more work. Okay? You need to do a little bit more work. You're not following up enough. Hold on, y'all. Let me take this. Is good, man. Free game. Okay, listen. The fortune is in the connection and ends with the follow-up. Does your end goal match your follow-up? Does your end goal match your marketing? Like, are you marketing enough? Are you talking to enough people? Are you branding yourself enough? Are you putting out enough posts? Are you making enough Facebook ads? Are you doing the correct activities, okay, to match that end goal? All right? And once you do, y'all, listen, here's the thing. The beautiful thing about MCA, y'all, and the reason why I tell people don't give up, follow up. When you follow up, you're like a commercial. Here's what's going to happen if you don't follow up. When you don't follow up, somebody that you probably told about the company, right? Somebody that you told about the company, they wasn't ready right then. Some of you all didn't join right away. That's what gets me. Some of you all didn't join right away. But when you get inside this company, you want people to join you right away. Come on, man. You didn't join right away, so why you should expect them to join right away? Some people are, because some people are looking for this opportunity. Okay? But some people are not ready yet. You caught them at a bad time. That's the reason why you follow up. But what happens is, if you don't follow up, okay, they told you they weren't ready, they don't have the money right now, you just gave up. Somebody else presented the opportunity to them, and they followed up, and they end up signing up with them. And have this ever happened to you? It's happened to me, because I've been a part of this company over 4 years now. I've been full-time for the past 2 years, but I bumped my head in the beginning. I've learned a lot of things. Experience is the best teacher, right? You see someone you talk to, and now all of a sudden, you see a similar post on their wall, like, hold on, what is they promoting? Hit them up. Hey, what's going on? I see you, you got down with MCA. When did you join? Ah, man, I joined last week. Ah, man, I forgot you had told me about it. Man, I ended up joining some guy, man, or some girl. She kept on hitting me up, man. I finally just said, forget it. Ooh! That hurt. Okay? That hurt. That's the reason why you follow up. Forget feeling like a bugaboo. Okay? Forget feeling like you harassed, man. You better put that work in. Or somebody else will. What you won't do, somebody else will. And that's just the raw fact. Okay? What you won't do, somebody else will. So how bad do you want it? We promoting opportunity, y'all, for what? 20, 40 bucks a month? Only 20 bucks a week? 20 bucks a month? $5 a week? For the potential to make thousands? Come on, man. And y'all know I ain't the flashy type, but I'm tired of people so ready to give up on themselves, man. I've been a part of this thing for over 4 years, man. I was working it on a part-time basis, working a full-time job. 60, 70 hours a week. I can show you paychecks of my hours showing. We got paid weekly. I can show you paychecks of my stub saying 70, 80, 65. I kept those paychecks, man, because I was slaving. But at the end of the day, I was still doing my business on a part-time basis because I knew I had an end goal. I was not trying to be there forever. Missing out on my kids. I got 6 kids. I want to be there. I want to be a part of everything they got going on in school, the whole 9. Okay, so listen. This video has went longer than I expected. Let's break it down. The fortune is in what? The connection. And ends with what? The follow-up. So follow up. Don't give up. Follow up. Okay? Just because they told you no, don't mean no right now. It doesn't mean no. It means not right now. A lot of them not even telling you no. A lot of them just telling you they don't have the money. Okay? Or I'm going to do some more research. And you giving up on them because they didn't jump right away. That's not, come on, man. That's not what it is. You didn't join right away. So why do you expect them to join right away? Get focused, man. Get serious about your craft. Immerse yourself in this business. Think long term, okay? Trust the process and just don't give up on yourself, man. Y'all got this. Y'all got this. And for somebody that's looking to join this opportunity for the first time, listen, my link going to be below, www.paidinfull.biz. Click on that link. Hit me up. You're going to get full training like this. I train my team weekly just like this, live. Okay, you also receive a fully loaded training website. Okay? Fully loaded training website. You're going to be added to my private Facebook training group. And we're going to show you how to get this money. We're going to get the bag all 2018 and beyond. Okay? Paid in Full is the team. Ladere Rivers is my name. I'll see y'all on the next video issue. Boy!